I'll be distributing a written press release on this, but I can confirm that I've been on the line and we've been speaking with GACC in Australia and with Angus Houston. And operations are, like as we all know, the Bluefin 21 AUVs have been deployed, and 16 hours have been done to search and photograph the seabed, and photographs are being analyzed at the moment. The same applies to the oil slick found and collected yesterday 5.5 kilometers away from the site. This has also been collected and being tested. So as you know, the operations with the GACC and our link up with, or my personal link up with Angus Houston has been ongoing, notwithstanding DSA here in PWTC. On Malaysia's part, I can confirm that the international investigation team is being set up. We will probably be able to table the memorandum to the cabinet the next time the cabinet meets, probably next week. The three ministerial committees have been meeting, led by the three deputy ministers. Hamzah Zainuddin, the deputy foreign minister, who has been tasked to look at the various issues relating to the next of kin. Aziz Kaprawi, the deputy transport minister, who has been tasked to look at the terms of reference of the international investigation team, which will be made known to the public in due course, and also technical aspects of our SAR. And the third ministerial committee, led by Datuk Abdul Rahim Bakri, who is the deputy defense minister, who is monitoring the deployment of assets in the search area, which has now been narrowed and has now moved into underwater search as announced by GACC a couple of days ago. Bahawa ini dalam siasatan polis, dan saya tak mahu lagi nak buat spekulasi berkait dengan perkara-perkara yang tidak ada verifikasi dan tidak ada pengesahan. Ini saya dah nyatakan tadi, bersandarkan kepada nak memastikan keluarga mereka yang di bawah siasatan ini tidak tersinggung atau emosi mereka dan juga kedudukan mereka dapat pembelaan. Tetapi pada masa yang sama, untuk pihak polis dan agensi-agensi bisikan antarabangsa, janganlah maklumat-maklumat sebegini rupa boleh menjejaskan siasatan mereka.